It's brow day, but we know we're on a neck journey as well, so we're gonna double up and multitask. I'm using the Revive. These are the best ones. Doing my brows, and I go with this brand. Don't get fooled by the packaging, go with this brand. The kit comes with everything you need. I like to cut the strips of saran wrap just to have them prepared. Comes with here the saran wrap, like so, and I just cut 2 strips. Comes with a little cleanser, so go ahead and clean your eyebrows off really good. I just use the spoolies that come with the kit. The next thing you're gonna use is the perm solution. Perm solution, you wanna make sure you're getting a lot in there, more than you think you need, okay? So I go pretty heavy with it. I take a new spoolie like that and I get really in there. Now, if you have skin that gets irritated easily, you're probably gonna wanna put like an ointment around your eyebrows on the skin. Just make sure you don't get the eyebrows, and that will kind of protect it. Just like when you get a hair perm, you kind of put an ointment around there to protect it. What I do with the perm solution is I really get it in there. I brush my eyebrows straight up. Then you want to go ahead and apply the saran wrap over the eyebrows. And we're going to leave that on for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to see how they look at that point. Sometimes about halfway through, I'll go in and comb them up. So if this is the first time you're ever doing this, definitely after 2 minutes, comb them back up. My timer just went off, and so now it is time to take off the film. Here's the real trick. See this little brush or comb that came with it? This is going to make all the difference. So what you want to do, and I have to look in here, is you're going to brush the perm solution out of your eyebrows using the very fine comb. And you really want to get all those brows up. Once I'm brushed out all the formula or the perm solution, I'm going to go ahead and wipe it out now. Next step is the fixation. And during the fixation, you want to make sure you're shaping your eyebrows. Go ahead and prep again your 2 strips. With the new spoolie, I go into the fixation, and kind of like the perm solution, I do put quite a bit in there. With the fixation, you need to make sure you shape them. So an important step for the fixation. Again, you're gonna set a timer for 5 minutes, and if you haven't done this before, you're gonna wanna brush them up and then shape them halfway through and then re-put the saran wrap on. I have them shaped how I want, so I think I'm set for right now, so I'm just gonna wait for the 5 minutes. Timer just went off, and just like we did with the perm solution, we're going to get rid of the plastic in with one of these little combs that they have for us. So, and we're gonna brush out that fixation. All right, they look pretty good. This eye, I think I'm going to have stay a little bit longer. There are a few little guys that don't want to go up, so we're gonna re-plastic them. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna clean the eyebrow that I feel like is in a good position and doing what I want it to do. Get all that solution out. And then we're gonna go in with the oil that they provide. They give you tons of spoolies, so you don't have to reuse anything. And then after I'm done with this, I just go ahead and wash them all and use them for the next time. So I'm gonna brush them kind of up and out down here. Then I'm not gonna get them wet for 24 hours. All right, there you have it. The brows are very laminated. I will put oil on them for the next couple days, and like I said, 24 hours, no water. Just when you wash your face, be careful of getting the brow area. And then later today, I'll go and clean up, pluck what I need to pluck, trim up, and then if I want to trim my eyebrows the length, I will at that time. And I probably only do this every 2 months. So this kit lasts forever.